Welcome to the Maltese Islands, where history meets the Mediterranean Sea. This enchanting archipelago, nestled between Sicily and North Africa, offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. The islands boast a rich tapestry of ancient temples, fortified cities, and azure waters, making it a paradise for travelers. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets, where every corner whispers tales from the past. From prehistoric temples older than the pyramids, to lively festivals celebrating local traditions, there is always something to discover. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or someone who just loves a good beach, the Maltese Islands have something for everyone. Let's dive into the top travel and culture spots that make the Maltese Islands a must-visit destination for any curious soul. Valletta, Malta's capital, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the island's rich history. Founded by the Knights of St. John in 1566, this fortified city is a treasure trove of Baroque architecture, stunning churches, and grand palaces. Walking through Valletta is like stepping back in time. One of the must-see spots is St. John's Co-Cathedral. Inside, it's a masterpiece of Baroque art and architecture. The ornate ceilings, marble floors, and Caravaggio's famous painting, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist, will leave you in awe. For a breath of fresh air and a dose of history, head to the Upper Baracca Gardens. These beautiful gardens offer panoramic views of the Grand Harbour and the three cities. Valletta's streets are lined with charming cafes, boutique shops, and lively markets. Valletta is not just a city, it's an experience that captures the heart and soul of Malta. The Hypogeum of Halsaflieni is one of Malta's most extraordinary archaeological sites. This underground prehistoric burial site, dating back to around 4000 BCE, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-visit for history enthusiasts. The Hypogeum is an intricate labyrinth of chambers carved into the rock, used for both burial and ritual purposes. The atmosphere is both eerie and fascinating. The chambers are adorned with red ochre paintings, and the acoustics are otherworldly. It's said that the Hypogeum was used for rituals that involved chanting and music, which would have sounded hauntingly beautiful within these stone walls. Due to its delicate nature, only a limited number of visitors are allowed each day. The Hypogeum offers a unique glimpse into Malta's ancient past and the early civilizations that once thrived here. The Hypogeum remains one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, and it's right here in Malta, waiting for you to explore. Mdina, also known as the Silent City, is a magical place where time seems to stand still. Perched on a hill in the center of Malta, this ancient walled city was once the island's capital. With its narrow streets, medieval architecture, and stunning views, Mdina is a must-visit for anyone exploring the Maltese Islands. As you enter through the grand gates, you'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Mdina's quiet, narrow streets are lined with beautifully preserved buildings, each with its own story to tell. One of the highlights of Mdina is St. Paul's Cathedral. This impressive Baroque cathedral, with its magnificent dome and intricate interior, is a sight to behold. For a breathtaking view, head to the bastions. From here you can see the sprawling Maltese countryside and the distant sea. Don't forget to stop by one of the quaint cafes for a slice of traditional Maltese cake. Discovering Gozo. Just a short ferry ride from Malta lies Gozo, the second largest island in the Maltese archipelago. Known for its rugged landscapes, charming villages, and slower pace of life, Gozo is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. Victoria, the capital of Gozo, is a great place to start your exploration. The Citadel, a fortified city within Victoria, offers panoramic views of the island and a glimpse into Gozo's history. Wander through its ancient streets, visit the museums, and soak in the island's unique charm. One of Gozo's most famous landmarks is the Azure Window, or at least it was. Sadly, this natural rock arch collapsed in 2017, but the site remains a popular spot for diving and snorkeling. The crystal-clear waters and underwater caves make it a diver's paradise. Don't miss the Gantia Temples, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Gozo is a place to relax, explore, and reconnect with nature. Comino and the Blue Lagoon. Comino may be the smallest of the Maltese Islands, but it packs a punch when it comes to natural beauty. This tiny island situated between Malta and Gozo is famous for its stunning blue lagoon. With its crystal-clear turquoise waters and white sandy bottom, the Blue Lagoon is a slice of paradise. The water is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and just lounging around. The vibrant marine life and underwater visibility make it a popular spot for divers as well. You can rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the surrounding caves and inlets. Comino itself is largely uninhabited, with only a handful of residents. Hiking trails crisscross the island, offering stunning views of the coastline and the Mediterranean Sea. Be sure to visit the Comino Tower, a 17th century watchtower that offers panoramic views of the island. Comino is a little slice of heaven in the heart of the Mediterranean. The vibrant nightlife of St. Julian's. St. Julian's is the place to be for fun and excitement. Located on Malta's eastern coast, it's the epicenter of nightlife. From trendy bars to lively nightclubs, there's something for everyone. Paceville is where the action happens. The streets are lined with clubs, bars and restaurants. Whether dancing, enjoying live music or sipping cocktails, Paceville has it all. For a laid-back evening, head to Spinola Bay. Waterfront restaurants and cafes create a magical atmosphere. The twinkling lights reflecting off the water are enchanting. Hidden gems, Marsaxlokk and the fishing village charm. Marsaxlokk is a charming fishing village on the southeastern coast of Malta. Known for its colourful Lagoon boats and bustling Sunday fish market, Marsaxlokk offers a glimpse into traditional Maltese life. The harbour is dotted with lazoos, painted in bright colours and adorned with the Eye of Osiris. On Sundays, the village comes alive with its famous fish market. Stalls line the waterfront, selling fresh fish and local produce. Try the lampuki pie or freshly grilled octopus. St. Peter's Pool is a favourite swimming spot. Stroll along the waterfront and visit the local churches. Local cuisine, a gastronomic adventure. No trip to the Maltese Islands is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Maltese food is a delightful blend of Mediterranean flavours, influenced by the island's rich history and diverse cultures. From fresh seafood to hearty stews, Malta offers a gastronomic adventure that will tantalise your taste buds. Start your culinary journey with some traditional Maltese street food. Pastizi, flaky pastries filled with ricotta or mushy peas, are a local favourite. For a more substantial meal, try rabbit stew, known locally as fennec. This national dish is slow-cooked with wine, garlic and herbs, resulting in tender, flavourful meat. Seafood lovers will be in heaven in Malta. Sample the catch of the day at one of the seaside restaurants or try al jotta, a traditional fish soup made with tomatoes, garlic and fresh herbs. Don't forget to save room for dessert. Imkaret, date-filled pastries, are a sweet treat that you won't want to miss. Festivals and traditions. A cultural extravaganza. The Maltese Islands are known for their vibrant festivals and rich cultural traditions. Throughout the year, the islands come alive with celebrations that showcase the local heritage, music and cuisine. One of the most famous festivals is the Festa, a religious celebration held in honour of the patron saint of each village. These festas are a spectacle of fireworks, parades and music. The streets are decorated with lights and banners, and the air is filled with the sound of marching bands and church bells. Carnival is another highlight of the Maltese cultural calendar. Held in February, this colourful event features elaborate costumes, floats and street parties. Valletta and Nada in Gozo are the main hubs of the carnival festivities. In the summer, the village of Cormi hosts the Malta Wine Festival, a celebration of local wine and food. The festival is a testament to the island's love of good food and drink. Why the Maltese Islands are a must-visit. The Maltese Islands are a treasure trove of history, culture and natural beauty. From the ancient streets of Valletta to the serene beaches of Gozo, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The island's rich heritage, vibrant festivals and delicious cuisine make them a unique and unforgettable destination. Whether you're exploring the underground chambers of the Hypogeum, diving into the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, or dancing the night away in St. Julian's, the Maltese Islands offer endless adventures. The blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy creates an atmosphere that's both captivating and welcoming. The Maltese people, with their warm hospitality and infectious enthusiasm for life, add to the island's charm. So why wait? The Maltese Islands are calling. It's a journey you won't soon forget.